The word evidence is frequently combined with various specific words and phrases in English, creating common combinations that are often used in both everyday and legal contexts. I mention here some of the main special combinations of the word evidence. One, strong evidence, which refers to compelling or convincing proof that supports a claim or conclusion. Two, circumstantial evidence, which is indirect and suggests a conclusion based on surrounding circumstances rather than direct observation. Three, physical evidence. These are tangible objects or materials presented in court to support a case, such as weapons, documents, or forensic samples. Four, admissible evidence, which is the kind of evidence that is legally acceptable and can be presented in a court of law. Five, hearsay evidence. These are statements or testimony about an event by someone who did not actually and directly witness it, but heard about it from others. Six, direct evidence. Evidence that directly proves a fact without the need for inference or interpretation. Seven, empirical evidence. Which is the kind of evidence that is based on observation, experimentation, or data collection, often used in a scientific and research contexts. Eight, anecdotal evidence, evidence that relies on personal stories, experiences, or isolated examples, often considered less reliable than empirical evidence. 9, character evidence, which is information about the person's character or reputation which may be presented in certain legal cases. 10, expert evidence. This is the testimony or information provided by qualified experts in a specific field used to assist the court in understanding complex issues. 11, crucial evidence, evidence that is of paramount importance or significance in a case. 12, incriminating evidence, evidence that suggests a person's guilt or involvement in a crime. 13, exculpatory evidence, evidence that supports a defendant's innocence or contradicts accusations against him. Key evidence, evidence that plays a central or pivotal role in a case or argument. 15, secondary evidence. This is the kind of evidence that is used when primary evidence, such as original document and original document, is not available or cannot be presented. These combinations and collocations help us specify the type, quality, or role of the evidence being discussed and are commonly used in legal discussions, scientific research, and everyday conversations when referring to the support or proof of claims or facts.